Good morning. My name is Stefan down at Victory Nissan, and I'd like to show you one of our 2020 Nissan Pathfinders we have. This one comes equipped with the backup sensors and the backup camera as well to let you know how close you're getting to the objects behind you, as well as sonar to detect the stuff that's outside of the camera view as well. 19-inch alloys on this. Beautiful. Remote start available too. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, of course. Got all your settings in your touchscreen display that you can work with on the screen there. Automatic dimming rear view mirror. Tan leather interior, stunning too. Second row seat folds down for 60/40 storage, so you can have extra storage if you choose to have it. You have an upper and a lower compartment for your glove console as well. USB hookups, auxiliary, lightning chargers up there as well. Also comes equipped with blind spot warning system, forward collision detection system, and LED outer mirrors, LED high beams of course, got your fog lights on there as well. Forward collision detection works right behind that Nissan logo too. Pathfinders are beautiful third row seating. If you have any additional questions, make sure you get to Victory Nissan and ask for Stephanie. Look forward to earning your business.